Hey guys, I'm Spencer, and I am going to dive into this Serenova 160LG, brand new camper by Grand Design. Super futuristic, if you will, almost. Like, look at it. It looks awesome. A couple really cool features I like to point out right away is going to be the independent suspension on this. That's going to allow the travel trailer to float down the road, not bounce, right? On the ride quality, you will see that they wrap these bad boys in Goodyear tires. We love a Goodyear tire, as well as these steel wheel wells. They have the armless awning. So outside camping, you've got the nice shade without worrying about walking around bumping your head into a awning arm. So this front window is almost the entire width of the camper. That allows for natural light, awesome views. You know, you're in the Grand Tetons or something like that. You can sit there in the dinette and you can have your morning coffee and have the view of a lifetime. Fiberglass front cap. We love that. That's some quality right there. You do have a fiberglass enclosed battery box and propane tanks. This is an all aluminum frame. So one of the best things about that is it's never going to tarnish, it's never going to rust or anything like that. And why is that important? Well, one, it's never going to have to be redone. It's not going to be in the shop as much. It'll allow you and your family more time camping instead of the camper being in the shop. On the frame, you will see a BAL stabilizing system. This is not going to be the auto level, but it still allows you to control all access or all points of stabilization. So you get this camper set up just the way you want. You will see there are no corners cut on this camper. Dexter tow assist on a single axle trailer. You do have a nice little light here right where your dump station is. You know, if you ever need to dump at night and you've been out there, I have myself, it can be a little hectic, but all you got to do is hook up with your nice little light there. Moving on back here, on a single axle, tankless hot water heater, endless hot water. That's awesome. On the back side of this camper here, you're gonna have all of your water hookups. All of these are accessible through the bottom. So you don't have to have this door open. Once you get to your campsite, you can simply just run everything down through that hole there. You're gonna have a battery disconnect, solar disconnect. Solar, yep, it's got solar on the roof. So right here, you'll have your solar charge controller. You've got auxiliary inputs, cable inputs, satellite inputs. You got tank fill, city water, GFCI outlets. You've got your black and gray dumps there. We're gonna talk about corners and not cutting them. Check it out. You got a nice fiberglass wrap right there around the whole corner. Not very often you're gonna see a trailer with a single axle with a receiver on the back. You can bring your bikes, your kayaks, your whatever you wanna bring. The whole family can enjoy them. And right above the receiver here, you will see a ton of storage in this camper. You got the diamond plating down here, so it's kind of like a toy hauler garage, very durable, as well as on the sides there. You know, you can throw all kinds of rough, dirty stuff in here. You're not gonna damage the camper whatsoever. Again, you got a motion light in here. At night, you open this door, light's gonna kick on automatically. You don't have to think about it. And up top here, you got a little hidden picnic table. It pops up. Oh, and have I pointed out that all of these doors have magnet holds? You don't even have to hold them. It's awesome. Welcome into the Serenova 160LG by Grand Design. Starting up front here, again, I talked about the windows. You've got windows that surround your bed. The amount of windows on this is what makes this camper so special. One cool thing that they did on this camper that's unique is these types of blinds. So you've got your blackout shade there, and it just simply pushes down. And then you've got a day shade. So right there, you've got some light, not all light, and then the other one you can black out all the light. Nice little reading lights here that are either blue for an ambiance, or you could have white for reading. And in the Serenova, one thing you'll find that's very unique is these cabinets, the shape, not only that, but the design and everything like that. And yes, they are soft close, which is awesome. Here you do have residential style faucet, and then a nice deep sink there for you. This is gonna be a power port, so you're gonna have outlets, USB, USB-C. One thing I like they did is if they're not, you know, they're not shorting you on the bathroom size. You know, again, I'm 6'1", right? I fit in here pretty dang well. I like the little marble accent they did, very nice touch. You will see your beautiful barn door. Love that, love that. Really nice deep fridge, big freezer. And again, talking about Grand Design going above and beyond, they elevated this up off of the ground. So it's at eye level, much easier to see what you're grabbing and getting at. This is a collapsible table to add another bed. It makes a really nice dinette for the daytime, breakfast, whatever. You've got a TV over here. And again, I'm talking about views, right? This window, so you got window there, big window in the front, window right behind me. You could literally sit here and just enjoy the scenery while you eat your breakfast and have your coffee. At nighttime, it's as easy as this. You just push this button push down on this, and this comes down. And then that cushion that you saw in the passenger storage in the back, that's what sits on here and makes a, I'd say probably just about a true queen size mattress. Thanks for coming along this walkthrough with me on the 160LG Serenova by Grand Design. Come on down to Clarksville, Tennessee at Adventure Camper Sales and let me help you discover your grand design.